So I have some experience in building e-commerce website, mainly on WordPress, but some are on Shopify. And I had to try the new integration between Lovable and Shopify, which is pretty amazing. Well, if you don't know, you can now generate a Shopify shop directly through Lovable. You just need to prompt and ask for it, and you'll get a new shop. You can update your products. You can, of course, change the name, change the layout, design it, and change everything you want. You can add pages. You can add information, change the text, do mainly anything you want. You can, of course, design the page. What really happens is that Shopify gets a new app installed by Lovable in the admin dashboard, and that way it controls our shop through Lovable, and this is pretty amazing. But that's the easy part: connecting to your store, creating a store. Actually, it's called claiming your store when you use it on Lovable. But what really interesting and had my attention is that I can build actually anything I want under the hood of this thing. So let's see what I did. I built a new admin dashboard for my website. Of course, I have the Shopify admin dashboard. I can manage my product. I can connect any payment services I want. Of course, control everything about deliveries, discounts, marketing. Everything in Shopify is pretty awesome and is already implemented for digital marketing work. It's great e-commerce platform, probably the best if we're talking about online, easy online selling. And what I wanted to build here was using the powers of AI. In the same way I built this website, I wanted to use the power of AI to enhance my e-commerce efforts. So I built this admin dashboard. This admin dashboard, as you can see, it shows all my products from the website as items. I can edit them, I can delete them from my admin dashboard. Of course, I can do it from right here, but I wanted more control. Let's say that I have this product. You can see I can assign product images. I can change the text. I can do basically what I want. I can assign category, of course, write the product description, pricing, inventory, SKU, change pretty much everything. I can also turn on and off this product right from here, which is really comfortable. So I have my products here, but that's nice. I have my blog posts here. If we'll go into the blog post, we will see that I can create and manage my blog posts from my admin dashboard, which is pretty amazing. You know why? Because I can ask AI to write blog posts for me based on articles, or simply directing them to URLs and asking them to write an article for my website for me. So in that way, I can inject content directly to my e-commerce website without having to write it, which is pretty amazing. I did it with the WordPress MCP. It was nice. In my Academy website, I used the WordPress MCP, and Claude actually types the articles in my website for me. So it was pretty nice doing that for an e-commerce website, and it was nice. So okay, so this is the image tools. This image tools tab, what it basically does, I can choose any one of my products. Let's choose this one for example. I can choose one of his images and ask for editing instruction, like add make the scene dark photography studio. Let's say I want to change my featured images for my product, and I don't want to go outside my website. My profile images, my main images for my product is already set up, and I want to use those to improve my overall marketing, overall design of the website, and I want to change my product design. So right now, nowadays we have amazing models like Nano Banana, Seedream for product editing, and I can use them. I wanted to integrate them directly into my admin dashboard. So let's see. put I have some presets here. Put product. Let's change when I click one of the quick examples, it actually types the prompts for me, so it saves some time. Let's see one of the examples. It doesn't really matter, just so you see it works. And the most fun thing about it is that I can actually when I get a result, you see I got this amazing result. This is my product. I can of course ask him to remove all the props from the scene, but as you can see, I can take this image, this AI edited image, and save it to my product. You see, saved image, saved to product. And now if I'll go to my actual website and I'll hit the refresh button and I'll look at my products, let's see what product it was. It was the if I'll get right into the product and I can see the image right here, it's been added to my product. What I can do, one second, what I can do is now I can refresh my app and simply ask the UI to make it the main picture image. One second, it will just refresh and we will see it. I'll go back to the admin dashboard I built, and one second, it will. Okay, now it's loading the product. As you can see, it's one sec. It's this product. As this product, you see, this is the image we just created with AI in the admin dashboard. We didn't have to visit anywhere else. Sorry about this small delay. And you see, I can make it a main picture from my admin dashboard. And when visiting the actual website, if I'll click refresh the admin of Shopify, you'll see that this is the main image for my product. So it works. The integration between the Lovable AI tools and using the Lovable Cloud for enabling edge functions or anything needed, database storage for images created or anything like that for public URLs is great. It works amazing, and I can basically do anything I want. So that's in terms for images. I can simply edit the images and create them in the admin dashboard. I can of course edit everything, change everything I want, and easily manage that. I can add blog posts, as I mentioned earlier, and I also have the image tools on correctly existing products, or I can simply upload an image and just edit it here. But let's see a really nice feature. Let's say I have I wanna create. I added 3 images of my products. You see, 3 images of my products, added them right here, and asked for a Black Friday sale ad with this product all together, and got this ad right directly in my app, which is pretty amazing. I can use multiple images to create a scene. So if I have a nice ad that I saw and I want to use it on one of my products, it's super easy doing that with Nano Banana, and that's pretty exciting as I see it. Let's talk about the text tools. You know, when managing an e-commerce website, if you are writing texts optimal for SEO or optimal for converting, so you probably use an LLM to do so. If not, to write the actual text, so to improve it or just check that you haven't forgotten anything. So I implemented a text tool right in here. What you mainly can do is select one of the products and you can see the product images and of course the product description. I can then ask for make it friendly and relaxing Let's go with that. So I chose the product. I'm choosing the language I want to create text in, and as you can see, it generates for me a title, a description, a tags, product type, which is a category, vendor, and I can refine the results with simple text. Make the headline shorter, and just click refine text and I'll get a shorter. See, got a shorter. Make the headline really short. Let's refine the text. As you can see, it will now update, and what I can do is I can select what I want to update now in my actual product. I can update the description, I can update its title, I can update its tags, suggested tags by AI. I can choose the product type, which is, as I said earlier, category. I don't want to change category, so I'll just deselect it. And what I want to do is just click apply and update it to my actual product. Let's see my actual product. See, we'll go to products, and this product, let's see. Here, this is the one. You see, this text was the text just created by AI. It was updated right here. We also updated the title, and that works. It's pretty amazing. You see the vendor, the type, the tags. I can add tags by myself, which is pretty amazing. And I can easily save the product, and now I got my updated product with the new updated optimal text in my website. I didn't have even need to go to any other place or look for it or work on it, and it worked perfect. I also have an SEO optimizer for my products. It just pulls the product from my database and lets me work on each and every one of them, and that's amazing. How it happens? It works because Shopify and Lovable has a nice integration. And just so you know, it's very important information. If you'll decide to do a big project and a nice project, I really wanted to test it till the end and see what I can do with it as a marketing person that built website before, and to integrate it in new world into my old existing world of building websites. So during the process, I had this problem. Suddenly, the connection between Lovable and Shopify disconnected, and I couldn't control the product or see anything. It happens because the admin API is changing on a daily basis, and when it changes, it's usually breaking the app you just built. So first of all, relax, it happens, and trust me, I spent hours trying to sort it out. I created a new app. I can try to connect a new Shopify store to my project. I really did everything. I spent hours on solving this, and of course, this is pretty new. Like, it's I think maybe less than a week old now, this integration, and I couldn't find any documentation on that. So what I did is trying all by myself. What I realized is that the Shopify tools and Lovable tools are pretty much integrated. So if you'll go to tools on your Lovable project and you'll stand on the Shopify tab, you'll see and click on advanced setting, you'll see the list of tools. If you'll ask to use one of the tools from the Lovable chat, like let's say update a product for me, it will renew the connection and will give you the admin API access token you need. By default, you won't need to add it or ask for it. It will just happen. So if you have problems with your project and you can't see for some reason your products in the website you're building right here in Lovable, it's probably this is the reason, and just ask him to add a product and it will renew the connection. And that's pretty nice, I must say. I'm very excited working on this project. It's an actual website I'm planning to reveal soon. Those products are actually real. We're printing them right here in my 3D printer, and we're creating a really, really nice business out of this e-commerce website, and I'm super excited about it. Thanks Lovable and Shopify for this amazing integration, and I can't wait. Looking forward teaching more people about it so they can create their own businesses and fulfill their dreams. Have a good one.